Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, and I don't mean to state the obvious, but just to set up some context here, a very respectable bounce. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, and now the price has worked its way back up to where it was. Now, of course, there's still a lot more work that needs to be done, but relatively speaking, from where it was to where it closed, nice solid move, but that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at $1.34. Why is $1.34 important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that area, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back downwards, what would you have in that situation? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would have the price right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, nothing can go straight up. So maybe the price does need to come back down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $1.34. Now, in the event the price continues to bounce back upwards, next key area of resistance to watch very closely, going to be right up there around the $1.42 mark. And then after $1.42, you'll want to keep a close eye on that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at $1.50. But all in all, nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum over the next few days. Let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.